Hello, welcome to Inkybay. Today we are going to show you how to set Inkybay admin to automatically convert uploaded pictures color to black and white or any other filter. So let's get started. First, go to Product and click Create Custom Product. Find your desired product. Let's say we are going to use carpenter pencil. Click Edit. Now we are going to scroll down and find printing types and pricing. Go to Add or Edit printing types. We'll add a printing type as we required. Let's say we have already set up printing type named Special Wood type. Go and click the pen icon, which is Edit printing type. Go to Restrictions. Find Uploaded Image filter. Click on the drop down icon and click Gray or Black and White, as we want to make it automatically converted to black and white picture. Hit Save. Select the printing type. Now let's see on our designer window. So this is our designer window. Click Upload File to upload some graphical files. Click Upload a File, Browse, and select our desired image. It's automatically converted to black and white picture. Hit Continue, and we can see that the image is shown as the black and white. Now let's go back to our Inkybay admin. Click on Add or Edit printing type. Click on the pen icon of our desired printing type. Go to Restrictions. Go to Uploaded Image filter and change it to anything we want, like full black or full white or other full color, threshold, anything. Let's say we want it to full white. Select it, save it. This is how we can configure Inkybay admin to automatically convert filter of uploaded images. That's all. Thank you.